from this point, everything is in, everything is secure. Now we need to go into wiring. But the first thing we have to do is we have to find the signal wire from the turn signals. And just like that, the JDM side markers are installed. Now, it was a little bit of a task.
I've got it under control. I've sorted it out. We're good.
Because unfortunately, the template that I got was just a little bit too small. So, as you saw, what we had to do was we had to cut, measure, until we got it right and in there.
It's been 84 years.
And then once we did that, we made our own template, which we were able to replicate on the driver's side fender, which made the process a lot faster.
No problemo.
As far as the wiring goes, it is hardwired into the turn signals at the moment.
You disgust me. Go on.
But I will be going back through it and actually installing plugs on both sides. But other than that, the job was pretty simple, pretty straightforward. They work phenomenally. The left turn signal, right turn signal, and hazards all work. This is something that I wanted to do. Like I mentioned in a couple videos back, I wanted to take little bits of my previous builds, like the Eclipse, the TC, the Celica, and incorporate them all into this. The JDM side markers off of my Celica was one of those things that I wanted to do. So we got it done. It was super easy, super straightforward, and I'm glad we got it knocked out before we start doing the paint and the bodywork. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much as always. I really appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos and listen to what I have to say. I hope it helps you guys out in some way, shape, or form with your builds, or at least offers you guys a little bit of entertainment. As always, there's always something to be done. There's always new projects along the way. So make sure you stay tuned, and we will see you guys in the next one. Take care.